Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn people, in this reading I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards them, your mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. Okay, so let's start the reading for Capricorns. Okay. Ooh, we have Five of Cups, Three of Cups, Three of Swords. Okay. Knight of Swords, the Empress. Wow, Four of Wands. Queen of Cups and King of Wands. King and Queen, the Empress. Wow. Okay, so Capricorn, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign with this Five of Cups, Three of Cups, Queen of Cups. Okay, some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Four of Wands, King of Wands. Okay, we have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Three of Swords and Knight of Swords. Okay. Capricorn, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. This is the mutual energy and this is going to be the future potential. Okay, now let's start the reading for Capricorn. So we have Three of Swords, Five of Cups and Three of Cups. Okay. Okay, so Capricorn, your person feels about you with this Three of Swords card that you are somebody who is kind of heartbroken. Okay, somebody has ditched you, cheated on you. Somebody has, one minute. We have Three of Cups as well in this reading. Okay, so Capricorn, for some of you, your person feels about you that you are somebody who is kind of very depressed and sad, and okay, you are feeling sorry about yourself because just because of your past mistakes. Okay, maybe you have done some mistakes in past and now you are feeling regretful about it and you are feeling sorry about it. Okay, and you are being angry on yourself as well. Okay, because this person has a red face. Plus you are somebody who is kind of cribbing about something. Okay, maybe you are just cribbing about your past or offers, okay, which you have ignored in past. Now you are feeling guilty, now you are feeling regretful about that offers. Okay, but you are not doing anything, okay, to make your life a better life. Okay, because universe is still offering you something. Okay, you are not willing to see what universe is offering you. Okay, and instead of doing any action towards your own goals, towards your own happiness, you are just being sad and standing still. Okay, till the time you are not going to move. Okay, or till the time you are not going to take first step towards your happiness, none can help you. Okay, only you need to cross this bridge, only you can do that. Okay, so emotionally you are kind of closed off from people. Okay, you are not seeing what divine or what universe is offering you, Capricorn. That's how your person sees about you. Okay, and with this Three of Swords and Three of Cups, Capricorn, your person feels that you are with somebody else. There is a third party situation for some of you. Your person feels that you are cheating on them. Okay, we have Three of Swords and Three of Cups. They see you as that either you are kind of heartbroken, that's why you are celebrating to, just to forget what is happening with you, with what has happened, I mean what had happened with you, okay, and that's why you are being sad, okay. For some of you, your person feels that you are somebody who is a player, okay, who knows how to deal or how to play with other person's emotions and love, okay, and other person's heart. And you are somebody who is, with this three of cups, you are somebody who just want to live life on your own terms, okay. You are not concerned about other person's emotions or their love. So they feel that you are somebody who is very mean, okay, who always thinks about themselves. This time also you are being mean because you are not taking any action towards your own growth. Maybe your person really wants to love you, maybe your person really wants to offer you something in love, okay. These are their offers, but you are not willing to take any action. You are not willing to turn around your back and see what they are offering, okay, because you are feeling guilty and you are feeling angry, and I mean you are angry on yourself. And instead of doing something to make your life a better thing, a better, I mean yes, a better life, you are just involving with somebody else, okay. You're partying, you're doing a lot of stuff with the other person, but when it comes to genuine love and genuine care, you're not bothered about it, okay. So that's how your person sees about you, I mean that's how your person's energy is about you, Capricorn. Now let's see what you feel. Capricorn, what are your energies towards them? What you feel about them? Capricorn, you feel about your person, they are somebody who are the only person who can nurture this relationship. You know that your person is the only one who can give their genuine emotion and care towards you and towards this relationship with this Empress card, okay. They have a lot of love to give you, they have a lot of abundance, happiness, prosperity within themselves to nurture this relationship and to give something solid in this relationship. And with this Knight of Swords, Capricorn, you feel that your person is coming towards you to offer you something, okay. Because this person is in a very this person is coming towards you in a rush, okay. And I feel that for some of you it's like a marriage proposal. So with this Four of Wands, I feel that they are coming towards you to offer you this Four of Wands, okay. So Capricorn, you also feel them as somebody who is your wish fulfill, I mean wish come true, okay. With this Four of Wands, it's like a manifestation card. It is called 1111 card. So you are manifesting about your person, Capricorn, and that's what universe is going to offer you, okay. So some celebration is going to take place in this relationship, some marriage or some engagement or some proposal is definitely going to take place in coming time, okay. With this Queen of Cups, Capricorn, it's your person who wants to offer you something in this relationship, okay. And we have Queen of Cups and the Empress card. As I said, that you feel that all the qualities within themselves who I mean within them who can nurture and make this relationship a beautiful relationship. And with this Queen of Cups card, they have genuine emotions for you, they have a lot of emotions and a lot of love for you, okay. And yes, they are the one who can love you, and they are the one who loves you basically, okay. King of Wands, Capricorn, it's you, Capricorn, okay. Because I feel that someday soon in your life you are going to see what is universe is offering to you, okay. Someday soon you are going to realize what's your person is offering to you with this Two of Cups. And in future I feel it's you who is going to see, okay. Or maybe I feel it's you who wants to start something new in terms of relationship with this person, okay. You are willing to take action because your person is pretending as a queen. They have a lot of emotions for you, but still they also want some assurance from you. So now they have offered for you, they have cup for you to, okay, of love, cup of love for you to offer you, but now they are just looking, holding back, and they just want to see how desperately you want them into their life, okay. So it's you who is going to take some action towards them, okay, in future, with this King of Wands. And yeah, yes, I feel that it's you who is looking towards your person, okay, because your person has emotions for you, but they are sad because you are not doing anything, okay, in this relationship. So now it's you who is looking them, okay, and now you are going to take some action in this relationship, okay. Yeah. Okay, so Capricorn, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.